right, careful when uphill cornering. Yes, we have a crest of the hill and a blind corner right here. Watch out. He's got a quad lock, so he's doing somewhat smart. Ooh, almost low-sided it. Got a little freaky on that one. He's gonna lose traction on that rear tire. There's a little bit of a rear tire loss. You notice how the phone didn't get launched out because it is safe and secure with the quad lock. Link in the description for a 10% discount code. Then this happens. What happens next? Oh yeah, we got somebody pulling out in front of you. Okay, so in these two situations, we're at fault on this one, the other person's at fault on the other one. But on this one, we have control over. The other one, we don't have control over. Now, why is that? Why is that? You know, how do we're at fault here, not at fault there. We have control here, don't have control there. Oh, because we have to be accountable for our actions here. We can't control the actions of others when that car turns left in front of us. So here we have control. We can minimize a close call that we just had. We have a close call here. We can minimize that factor. We can remove that if we just have better control of ourselves. We can't minimize that the other driver turning left in front of us because we don't have control over it. So our goal is to minimize as many of these situations as possible because we're still gonna have situations that like close calls. So let's stop having these ones in the first place. So watch out, careful when uphill cornering. So we're gonna go super fast. We're hauling ass through here. We're not doing what we're supposed to be doing. We just crossed those lines. We're treating this as a personal racetrack. And we're gonna get up to here, crest of the hill. Oh crap, we went a little too fast. We kind of got lifted up off our seat because of the inertia of everything. We're leaning it super far. Maybe not the best skill. Maybe a lot of skill, but just not what this needs. Tires could be, you know, torn up a little bit. So we're starting to lose traction on that rear tire. Got a little freaked out by the car. We're going in the other lane. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And then he's going to be like over here, okay, it's not really my fault. You know, it's a mistake. You know, the road shouldn't have been like that. Earth can't be curving like that. Why is it like that? Stop blaming your other things. Blame yourself here. And then we're going to get up to, oh, here's some slow-mo so you can see it one more time. See the mistakes that this person made. Can't see anything. Line of sight issues all over the place. Can't do nothing. Can't do nothing. Probably blaming that car for existing. And then we're going to get up to this situation right here. Then this happens, okay? We have a left turn vehicle. Left turner. Okay, side of the vehicle. What do? We do progressive brake pressure. That's what he's doing right here. But now we're going to blame that vehicle. All right, here we go. We are on a track. Okay, a little bit wet. Hans Das, racing driver. Doing pretty good. He's handling his thing. He's doing what he needs to do. Ooh, loss of traction. High side. You see that high side? You see that high side? See the high side? Ooh. Ooh. So he's going to hopefully get up. Please get up. Doing well. Full gear. Impact protection. Helmet protection. Just kind of sitting off to the side. High vis with the... Very good. Very good. Handled it well. Was that a Ghostface kill a knee puck? That's a Ghostface kill a knee puck. Those are cool. That's cool. Crises. Here we go. Traffic light is off. Okay. So we still got to be orange stage, prepped and ready for anything. That person was making a choice. That person was making a choice. Doesn't know what's going on. Criminal face, criminal plate. People don't know what to do. So when you're going through an intersection, here's the thing. When you're going through an intersection with the lights off, don't just start taking positions. Because you have the law of gross tonnage here. You have to watch out for people. If you're gonna go through there, be ready to be hit. And if you're gonna get hit, guess what? A car is gonna win. Guess what? You need to have full gear because a car is gonna win. You want to have that impact protection. Here we go. So we're going through here. This is gonna be a little awkward. This is always better to take it slow, relax. In the United States, if the intersection is out, it pretty much is a four-way stop sign. But right here, we're just kind of taking our spots. What is this person doing? We don't know. They're not supposed to be in our lane. moved over. Look at the escape path that we have here. This is a great escape path. This is all we can do, but we can do it because we're on a motorcycle. Handled it really well. All right, here we go. Moving through here, getting our knee down. Michael motorcycle, okay. Watch out, we slowed down. That person had to slow down. Almost lost traction. Front tire slips out. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. So when we're riding out in the mountains, especially with a group ride like this, make sure you guys grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk Bold and use the code DDTF for a discount code. That way you guys can talk to each other saying, hey, I'm taking this one slow. I'm taking this one slow. Slow it down, everybody. Slow it down. So we're getting through here. This person's going to get pretty close to us because we had to slow down. We might not be as experienced. And if you're the one in the back, you need to be a little bit more experienced because you're kind of expecting this person to take it at a certain speed and they do stuff like this. You need to be able to slow down in the middle of a turn too, but actually react off of them. So he stood it up and applied the brakes, and his front tire and rear tire, whichever one slipped out. Thankfully, nobody crashed. Thankfully, nobody crashed. Maybe paying attention to the very nice vehicle to the left. What do you guys think happened there? So we're looking left. This guy passes up on a Grom. Ooh, look how close his head almost got squished. Look how close his head almost decided to get splattered. So we launched off of this jump. Jumped the speed bump. Now here's the moment where we gained a lot of speed. We have a vehicle right in front of us. We have a very small space cushion in front of us. Very small space cushion in front of us. Now our total stopping distance is terrible. We perceived and reacted, but our distance wasn't good, so he just slammed the brakes, thinking that he can smash those brakes. The more brakes he gives, the quicker he gives it, means he stops quicker. That's not how it works. Not on motorcycles with 2 wheels. Not even on anything with 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 wheels. You smash it doesn't mean you're going to go any quicker. It means that you're just going to lock up the brakes. And that's what happened here. We locked up that front tire because we panicked. We're brown staged right now. So we slammed the brakes. Look at that front tire slipped out from underneath us. Did not impact anybody at all. Just wasn't paying attention. And then we slammed down, and this is very painful, and this is why we need to have gear, acquire and use personal protective equipment. We do have some beginner gear linked in the description. Click that link. It's going to help you out, especially with your purchases. So now he's going to go ahead and point at everything, a little bit of embarrassed. That left arm has probably got some road rash. Hopefully he didn't hit that red car because a solo accident is something different compared to. Oh, we're just gonna keep. Oh, okay. We're just idiots. Never mind. We're just idiots. Look at that. Look at that. We're just being idiots. Look at this guy.